Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix Discord not opening on PC. First, right click on the Discord app, then click on Properties, go to the Compatibility tab. Now enable Run this program as an administrator and disable full screen optimizations. Then click Apply and OK. Next, go to the search bar at the bottom and type Run. Click to open the Run dialog box. Now type %appdata% and click OK. In the folder that opens, click on Discord. Then select the following folders: cache, code cache and GPU cache, and delete them. If you're unable to delete them, open Task Manager, find Discord in the list. Right-click and select End Task. Then go back and try deleting the folders again. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.